Okay, so now that we have both VirtualBox and also our ISO for the operating system we're going to use, let's go ahead and load that operating system into VirtualBox Manager. So hit New, and you can name it anything you'd like. Maybe DC2, Domain Controller 2, anything that's descriptive. For ISO image, we're going to select our free evaluation version of Server 2019, and we're going to we're going to skip the unattended installation and hit next. Here, the default settings as far as memory and processors will be fine. Select next. And 50 gigs of space will be enough. So we'll select this first option, create a virtual hard disk now. Here you can read the summary of what we're going to create and hit finish. And then for our domain controller, before we power it on, you can go to settings, and here you can rename it. You can also increase the memory. If you want, you can increase the number of processors. For storage, make sure here the disk is showing as our ISO for server 2019. And you may also want to modify network settings. So this is NAT. You can also do bridged connection or internal. So you might want to do internal in case you're worried about keeping it isolated from the rest of your network. Okay, so after that, after you've modified your settings here, what you can do is power it on. So right click and start, and just do a normal start. It'll power up just like a real computer. And select your language and keyboard layout. Hit next, and we'll say install now. And we're going to select the second one. So Windows Server 2019 standard desktop experience and hit next. Accept the license terms. And we're going to do custom. So install Windows only. And 50 gigs is fine for drive 0. You should just have your one drive and hit next. And in part 3, we'll pick up after it's done the installation. It's going to want us to create that administrator account. So I'll see you in the next part.